In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store name. Whether you're rebranding or just want a fresh look for your online business, changing your store name is a simple process. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to go to your Shopify admin panel. Open up your preferred web browser and log in to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the home page, which is essentially your store's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from managing products to viewing your store's analytics. Next, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the dashboard. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings panel is like the control center for your store, offering a variety of options to tweak different aspects of your online shop. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the My Store section. Click on it to proceed. This is where you can make changes to your store's general information, including the store name. Now you're almost there. You should see a section labeled Store Name within the general settings. This is where you can change your store name to whatever you have in mind. Simply click on the current name, delete it, and type in the new store name that you've chosen. Make sure it reflects your brand and is something your customers will recognize and remember. After you've entered the new name, double-check for any spelling errors because this will be the name that your customers associate with your brand. Once you're satisfied with the new store name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure to save your changes. There should be a Save button that you need to click to ensure that your new store name is updated. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now has a new name. Remember, it might take a little while for the changes to reflect across all platforms, so don't worry if you don't see it updated immediately everywhere. Before you wrap up, consider updating any relevant marketing materials, social media profiles, and business documents to reflect your new store name. Consistency is key in maintaining a strong brand identity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on managing your online store. See you in the next video.